Hey everyone, welcome to Easy English Conversation.
This podcast is made for beginners and ESL learners who want to speak English with confidence.
In today's episode, we're talking about office English.
You'll hear simple, real office conversations used in everyday work life in the United States.
The English is slow and easy to follow.
So relax, listen carefully, and practice along.
Let's get started. Hey Lily, good morning. You seem a little quiet today. Everything okay?
Hey, Sam. Good morning. Honestly, it's my first day, so I'm a bit nervous.
That's totally normal. First days can feel overwhelming.
Yeah, everything feels new. New place, new people, new work.
I get that. When I first joined this office, I felt the same way.
Really? You seem so confident now.
Confidence comes with time and experience. You'll get there.
I hope so. Right now, I just feel a little out of place.
That's okay. Take your time. No one expects you to know everything on day one.
Everyone looks busy. I feel nervous about disturbing people.
No worries. Asking questions at work is completely normal.
Sometimes I worry about my English, too. Soft sigh.
Your English is good, and even if you make mistakes, that's okay.
That's good to hear.
What's your role here, by the way?
I'm a junior executive on the operations team.
That's great. You'll learn a lot.
I really want to grow in my career.
Career growth starts with learning and communication.
That's why I want to improve my spoken English.
Office conversations help a lot. Small talk, meetings, emails, everything.
I feel shy speaking to senior staff.
That's normal. Start with simple sentences.
Like, good morning, or how are you?
Exactly. Simple and polite English works best.
I'm a little nervous about meeting the manager.
Just smile and greet politely. You'll be fine.
Okay.
Oh, and lunch is usually around 1 p.m.
Good to know.
We usually eat together as a team.
That sounds nice.
Lunch breaks help you connect with coworkers.
I already feel better after talking to you. Smiles.
I'm glad to hear that. First days are all about settling in. So, Lily, are you feeling a little more comfortable now?
Yeah, a bit. Still nervous, but not as much as before.
That's progress.
I met a few coworkers. Everyone seems friendly.
That's great. Small connections really help.
Sometimes I'm not sure what to say to people.
That's okay. You don't need long conversations.
Like, what should I say? Small pause.
You can say, "How's work going?" Or, "Pretty busy today?"
Oh, that sounds easy.
Yep. Office English is usually simple and polite.
I'm more nervous about talking to the manager.
That's totally normal.
I don't want to say the wrong thing.
No worries. Just be respectful and clear.
What should I say when I meet them?
"Good morning, nice to meet you" is perfect.
Sounds good.
If they ask about your work, say, "I'm still learning, but I'm doing my best."
That feels honest.
It is. Honesty matters at work.
What if I don't understand something?
Just say, "Sorry, could you explain that again?"
I like that sentence.
You'll use it a lot.
I feel shy asking questions in meetings.
A lot of people do, but asking questions shows interest.
Really?
Yeah, it shows you want to learn.
That makes me feel better. Relieved.
How's your work going so far?
It's going okay. I just got my first task.
Nice. What is it?
I need to prepare a short report using last week's data.
Do you understand what to do?
Mostly, but one part is confusing. Small pause.
That happens. What part?
I'm not sure which file I should use.
Then it's best to ask for clarification.
I didn't want to bother anyone.
Asking questions isn't bothering people. It actually saves time.
That makes sense.
You can say, "Could you confirm which file I should use?"
That sounds polite.
Exactly.
How do you manage your daily tasks?
I make a to-do list every morning.
Does it really help?
A lot. It keeps me organized.
Deadlines make me nervous. Soft sigh.
They're important, but manageable with planning.
What if I need more time?
Let your manager know early.
What should I say?
I might need a little more time to finish this.
That sounds professional.
It is. How was your first meeting?
Honestly, I was nervous, but it went better than I expected. Smiles.
That's great. Meetings can be intimidating at first.
I listened carefully and took notes.
Smart move.
I asked one question. Laughs softly.
That's awesome.
I felt proud after that.
You should. You did great.
I also got feedback on my report.
How was it?
Mostly positive, with a few corrections.
That's normal. Feedback helps you grow.
I used to feel bad about feedback.
A lot of people do, but it's not personal.
I understand that now.
And that's how confidence grows, step by step.
I already feel more confident than this morning.
That's real progress. Thanks for listening to Easy English Conversation.
Keep practicing, take it one step at a time, and don't worry about mistakes.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe.
We share easy English conversations to help you speak with confidence.
See you in the next episode.
Bye!